Nausea can be caused by various factors, such as indigestion, motion sickness, pregnancy, or stress. Yoga can help ease nausea by improving digestion, calming the nervous system, and enhancing circulation. Here are some yoga poses and breathing techniques that may provide relief. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Sit with legs extended straight. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale and fold forward, reaching for your feet. Hold for 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Benefit: helps stimulate digestion and relieve stomach discomfort. Child's pose, Balasana. Kneel on the floor with toes touching and knees apart. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply. Benefit: reduces stress, promotes relaxation, and eases nausea. Legs up the wall, Viparita Karani. Lie on your back with legs elevated against a wall. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Stay in this pose for 5 minutes. Benefit: improves circulation and calms the nervous system. Cat-cow stretch, Marjarasana. Start in a tabletop position. Inhale, arch your back, and lift your chest, cow. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin, cat. Repeat for 1 minute. Benefit: stimulates digestion and relieves bloating. Deep breathing, Pranayama. Diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into your belly, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Close one nostril, inhale through the other, switch, and exhale. Repeat for 2 minutes. Benefit: calms the nervous system and reduces nausea. Practice in a quiet, well-ventilated space. Avoid vigorous poses that may worsen nausea. Drink warm water or herbal tea after yoga to aid digestion. Incorporating these gentle yoga poses and breathing exercises can help alleviate nausea naturally.